Today, I'm showing you how to add photos to your Facebook album. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. First, open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, then tap your name to open your profile page. Step 3. Navigate to Photos. Scroll down until you see the Photos option and tap on it. This opens your photo section. Step 4. Go to Albums. You'll see 3 tabs at the top: Uploads, Photos of You, and Albums. Tap on Albums. Now tap Create Album or the plus icon. A new window will open asking for album details. Step 6. Name your album. Enter a name for your album. This could be something like Vacation 2025 or Family Photos. Step 7. Add photos or videos. This opens your phone's gallery. Select the photos you want to add to your album. You can select multiple photos at once by tapping each one. Once you've selected all your photos, tap Done or Add. Step 8. Finalize and post. You can add a description or tag people if you want. When you're ready, tap Post or Save to publish your album. And that's it. Your Facebook album is created with all your photos. You can always go back and add more photos to this album later by opening it and selecting Add Photos.